back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a life update. A lot of things have been going on in my life, as you guys can see from the title, which we'll get right into that. I know y'all are waiting for me to talk about that, right? But yes, like I said, a lot of things have been going on in my life, and I really want to update you guys and share what's going on. So let's get into it. Okay, so first off, I recently got another job. I'm still currently working the other one that I told you guys about, that I was talking about in my vlog video like last year, like towards the end of last year. So yeah, but I got a part-time job because, like I mentioned in my previous video, my 2018 goals video, I wanted to really focus on paying off some of my debt. I really want to be debt-free is my goal for the year, but my student loans are off the charts. So right now my focus is just paying off the 2 credit cards that I have, and I'm using this part-time job to do that and to also build back up my savings. So I came up with a plan. Sorry, my sinuses are like still kind of bothering me, so it's hard for me to talk and breathe a little bit. So give me a second. Okay, so my plan is to, because I get paid bi-weekly from my part-time job. So what I'm gonna do is, when I get paid from the first week, from the first pay period, I will use that to pay on I'll use the whole check to pay on one of my credit cards that I'm trying to pay off first. And then the next check I get, I'll put completely in my savings. That's the plan that I came up with. So we'll see how that works. And as far as the job that I have, as far as the part-time job, what it is basically I am a merchandising rep, or however you want to say that. I'm a representative for a company where I go in, make sure that product is set up right. I take before and after pictures of it so they can see what I've done. And I email it to my supervisor. She's like all the way in New Jersey. So I'm an independent contractor. Like, I don't have anyone like that I see every day or that's down my throat about getting stuff done. So I email her if I have any questions, and I also have a contact in Atlanta. So if I have questions, I can reach out to her because she's been with the company for like 10 years. So yeah, but it's pretty simple. I actually had to work this weekend because I have to visit my stores once a month, and I have stores in the Atlanta area. So I try to get all of those in one weekend and then do the ones that's in my surrounding area as I can, like that. So on to the big news, what you guys came here for, what you clicked on the video for. Yes, the title is real, it's not clickbait. I am going to be a mom, and it is freaking bananas. I cannot believe that I'm gonna be a mom. It's just like, huh? Like, who? Me? Like this girl right here? Yeah. So yeah, so me and my boyfriend, we're expecting our first child together, and we're very excited about it. Definitely was unexpected, was not planned. Okay, so yeah, definitely caught me by surprise. But I'll tell you guys that whole story in a separate video. Tell you guys, yeah, I'll just tell you guys about that in another video. And I'll also tell you guys how I told my parents, because it's actually a cute story how I told my dad. My mom just kind of figured out, because you know moms be knowing, okay? Moms be knowing. Yeah, I am going to be a mom, and I don't know, it hasn't really all the way hit me yet. It's like I know, because I'm already seeing the changes in my body. Like I know, I heard the heartbeat, I've seen the ultrasound and all that stuff. Like I've seen my baby. Like I know that it's there. But it just hasn't, like, I don't know how to describe it. It's kind of like a little overwhelming, but not in a way that I get necessarily like anxiety. It's kind of like, wow. It's like my life is really about to change. Like it's legit about to change. I'm about to be, yeah, I cannot breathe. It's about to be a new chapter in my life, and it's just like, wow. That's all I could say. I just can't believe it. It's just like I have like a person inside of me, like it's a little bitty person is inside of me, and it's like, huh, Look at that. That's kind of how that's what I said when I saw the test. When I took it, I said, huh. I'm like, man, I gotta tell y'all that story. I am actually 13 weeks in a day today. 13 weeks in. Yeah, 13 weeks in one day today. And I'll be officially out of my first trimester next week. Yeah. Well, this Saturday will start my second trimester, which I'm excited about because this nausea and headaches is no joke, okay? Like that. But I don't want to overwhelm my channel with pregnancy videos and stuff like that because I know that's not why you guys came here. I'm definitely going to still have a balance of my fashion videos and lifestyle videos, and then, you know, talking about my pregnancy and all that stuff. Just really wanted to let you guys know what was going on with me, especially about me being pregnant, because that has affected my content here. Like, I have not really been feeling that well to be putting out content, and as far as like my clothes go, like they not really fitting the same. And I don't know if you guys could notice in the last video, like I kind of got a little pudge here, like a little, I guess it's a belly bump, but to me it's just like I just gained weight there, like I just look kind of fat. I don't really look, to me it doesn't look like a baby bump. But you guys may have noticed that I'm looking a little round around the middle here, so that is why. Yeah, but yeah, I guess I can show you guys my belly bump. To me, like I said, it don't look like a bump, at least not right now, but I'm gonna show y'all anyway right now. This is the first trimester, 13 weeks and one day bump. So bam, there we go. Nothing much there, just look like I've been eating good. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more content. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.